Your boy Colton, and today we made part 3 marble track.
Okay, what
picking
one
this
are we
one.
gonna pick? I'm picking this one. I'm picking the yellow.
I want to pick this one.
Okay,
haven't
I'll
ever tested that one
pick the
yet.
orange one.
Okay.
You gotta.
Okay, they're making it down.
Making their way down the world today.
There's 3 of them. Don't worry, guys. They will finish. See?
Do you guys know how to put a link in the description or something? Yeah, do you know how to put a link in like a YouTube video description?
In 20 seconds, I'm dropping in the next one. Oh, did you see that?
This one is
It bounced on the roof, went back on the track.
All right, here comes one dropping in.
yeah, so this one, whatever it is, it's going really quick. We're checking which one to go in faster. Oh no, to get down. Panda,
Oh, made the loop. It should be good.
yeah, this one should be good.
Don't get too close to it, Colt.
This should be good the rest of the way. Come on, should make it.
See 'em. Goes around town. Goes down. Goes around. And now we just talk to it, says it's gonna finish.
Yeah, it's gonna finish like in 90 seconds.
Not any seconds.
Yeah, this is the slow part. It's gonna go so
Yeah.
slow.
So let's just say, woo woo.
Yeah,
made
go
it.
check out
Wild
more
Orbit
videos
on.
more videos of Nuggets Playground and Bikes, and go check out my channel, Wild Orbis Adventures.
Yeah, give a shout out to that channel.
Yeah.
Yep.
I made it.
Successful run.
Okay, no, not yet. I want to see my video.
So kids, if kids are watching this, you guys should not
Go under it.
be going on the roof with.
What?
Only go on the roof with like a
You gotta edit
construction.
it. You gotta
with,
edit
like-
this in. Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. It will.